Ang dami kakainin ng anak mo.
Asa sa magulang.
Okay lang, mayaman naman yata sila.
Oo nga. Diba?
Marami silang pigil.
Ilang taong ka na ba, Pinky? Matanong ko lang ha. 25 ka pa lang, bakit parang matanda na yung paa mo?
Gaga! Masalamat ka. Alam mo, napaka-swerte nga niyang bata.
Bakit naman?
Kasi siya lahat ng mga baboy, siya lang nakakatayo.
Oo na.
Okay kayo.
Siya lang, Gaga. Biro lang yan. Pero kapag tinawag ka dyan sa labas na baboy, totoo na yan, ha?
Oo naman. Hindi ko joke.
Si Berde ba?
Baka mamaya kasahan siya mamaya sa labas ng week.
Para sa Alvin Joey's on my own. Pero baka ko natin here. Pinky! Ano?
Pero kumakuha na ha.
Ay mo yan. Matawag si Charles. Hindi alam eh. Ngayon siya tumawag.
And I should know I would never decide to do it away. But now I need to do it all alone. And I am not afraid to let it all out. I don't care if it's over now. I can't go back to leave it to your life. Too many lies. And if you don't know by now, I can't go back to being someone else. Not anymore. I never had a chance to do things my way. So now it's time for me to take control. And I am not afraid to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel, no matter what activity, you know.
thank you very much, Vicky, for that wonderful song. Maraming salamat.